So here is the question number 7. Draw a cycloid which has been generated by rolling a circle of 50 mm diameter for one complete revolution. Also draw tangent and normal to the cycloid at a point 35 mm from the base. So here we see that we have to draw a cycloid which has been produced by a point on a rolling circle of 50 mm diameter for one complete revolution. And also we have to draw a tangent and normal which is at a distance of 35 mm from the base. So there are many things to note down here. First thing is that as we have seen in the introduction part, what is a cycloid? Cycloid is a curve generated by rolling a circle on a straight line, say for one complete revolution or two complete revolution. And then here we have the diameter 50 mm is enough. And also in addition, tangent and normal, we also have to draw tangent and normal. As seen in the previous question, we have to follow the same procedure here also. We can draw easily tangent and normal to this cycloid. So we will see now how to draw this cycloid.
So for drawing the cycloid, I am first drawing the circle, generating circle, which diameter of which is given as 50 mm. So the radius will be 25. So we have to mark the axis line. With this point here, the base point of the circle, we have to draw the line of circumference line, which will be equal to 157. This is equal to 157. Because this is the circumference, and to get the circumference of a circle, we'll need a formula pi d. That means 157 into the diameter of the circle, 50. So 3.14 into 50 will be equal to approximately equal to 157. So we will complete the first box here, so that it will become easy for us afterwards. Now I will divide this circle and this line into equal parts, say for now 12. Now the circle is divided into 12 equal parts. We can divide this line also. We have to divide this line also into 12 equal parts. For this reason, I am taking this 12 centimeter line. I will mark at 1 centimeter each. And I will join the last point of these two lines. Then afterwards, it is very easy. Hence, this line is also divided into 12 parts. We have to draw perpendiculars from this point, these points. Now it's all looking very messy, so we'll number these points. I'll number this point as 1 and this line as 1 dash, this point as 2, 2 dash, 3, 3 dash, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash. This is our 12 dash. Now here one important step. You need to take the radius as 25, the radius of this circle, and first we need to mark the centers. When you project a line from the center point of the circle, this will become the locus. That means other centers will come here in this position. So this will be your O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6, O7, O8, O9, O10. This is O11. We need to mark lines from here also, from the circle. By taking the radius of 25, keeping O1 as center, cut the first line, center as O2, cut the second line, O3, third line, O4, fourth line, O4, fourth line, O5, fifth line, O6, O6 will come here itself, O7, O8, O9, O10, O11, O12 will come at this last point only from O12. So these were the lines. See one more time. We have taken the radius as 25 mm with center O1. We have cut the first line of this circle. See here, this is 1 and we have cut this line. With O2, we have cut the second line. This is the second line of this circle. So if we join with H pencil all these curves, this is your cycloid. This is your cycloid, and the circle is rolling in this fashion. And one more thing, the tangent and normal has to be drawn here. For that reason, distance is given in the question as 35 mm from the baseline. So we need to measure from the baseline where is the 35 mm distance. So I am getting this as this point. Don't worry, I have set the drafter here. See that I am moving this drafter. If I from this baseline, I have moved this drafter till the point where I have get 35 mm distance. So this point is our M. This point is M. From where we will get the normal. Now take again the radius same as 25 mm. 25 mm with M as center. We have to cut the locus line, which is here. So we will get one more point here, and from there we have to just project this line below till the baseline. You have to follow this procedure carefully. You will get one more point. Now this is our normal. When we join these 2 points, I will do this with H pencil. This is our normal line, and when I keep this drafter perpendicular to this is our tangent. So our tangent, which is 35 mm from the base, has been completed. For drawing this tangent, I will repeat the procedure. First, we have taken the 35 mm distance from the baseline, and after getting that point M, I have cut the locus line, center line of this with 25 mm radius, and I have extended this line towards the baseline. Then when we join these 2 points, we will get the normal, and perpendicular to this line is our tangent. Thank you. Our exercise number 7 is completed.